What is up guys, Joe here back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to stake the Terra Luna token within Kraken for American customers. So Kraken just announced you can stake the Terra Luna coin for up to 6% APR on their exchange. So currently Terra Luna is moving up the ranks and ranked number 7 worldwide with a market cap of over $35 billion. And if we look at DeFi Llama, we do see that Terra Luna is ranked number 2. So that means there's over 26 billion staked or being farmed within the various Terra Luna protocols. And if we dig deeper, you can see month by month the amount of total value locked has been increasing for the past 2 years. And if we scroll lower, we do see that the bulk of that money has been placed in the Anchor protocol, which sits on 12 billion total value locked, and second place would be Lido, which offers 8 billion total value locked. So Anchor is Terra Luna's saving protocol that allows you to stake their native UST stablecoin and earn up to 19.45% just for staking the UST stablecoin. It's a super healthy return, very low risk, and I recommend this app to any newcomer to the DeFi space or crypto world. This is one of the easiest and safest investments you can make, is using the Anchor protocol. So the website here is app.anchorprotocol.com, and the second most popular staking manner would be Lido. So the website here is lido.fi/terra, and on here you can stake the Luna token as well. Keep in mind this does require the Terra Station wallet, and don't forget you can always stake using the regular Terra Station wallet as well, and this is station.terra.money. On here you would just go over to the stake page and connect your wallet and start staking your Luna. So obviously those platforms are a bit more advanced and require more manual work. So I do realize some people prefer to stake within an exchange or an iPhone app, and that's fine as well. So today I quickly wanted to cover how to stake in Kraken. This is a great option for anyone who uses the Kraken ecosystem. I'm actually a big fan of Kraken myself because they offer a ton more staking features than Coinbase or other platforms. And looking at stakingrewards.com, you do see that Terra Luna will net you 6% APR for staking the Luna token. So let's begin. So previously, Luna was only available to American customers within the Crypto.com app, but recently Kraken finally listed Luna and you're able to purchase Kraken with a credit card inside of their app. That's the easiest way to purchase Luna, but because I've previously purchased Luna within Crypto.com, I'm gonna send the Luna tokens over from Crypto.com over to Kraken. So let's go over through that. Open the Crypto.com app, select the center crow icon on the bottom of the screen, select Crypto Wallet, select the Terra Luna token, hit transfer, withdraw, external wallet. And as you can see, I've previously added my Kraken Luna wallet to my whitelist here. And I did this 24 hours prior to recording this video because anytime you want to withdraw to a new address within Crypto.com, they've placed a 24-hour waiting period. So I actually added this address yesterday. So now fast forward 24 hours later, I can finally withdraw the Luna from Crypto.com. But let's say you haven't gotten this far yet. What you would do at this screen is hit the plus icon on the top right and select wallet address and select the Luna network. Under Terra address, you would navigate over to the Kraken app, and under the Terra Luna coin, you select the ellipses on the top right, select deposit, and here is your Terra Luna deposit address. You can copy this address here onto your clipboard and navigate back to the Crypto.com app, and from here you would paste the Terra Luna address. This deposit does not require a memo, so we will check this setting here. No memo required for my wallet. You can even give it a name, Kraken. Cool, and from there you would hit continue. So once it's successfully been added, you will hit withdraw Luna and select the amount of Luna you would like to withdraw. I'm gonna select 1 and hit withdraw. And the associated gas fee for this transfer is 0.15 Luna, which is pretty small. It's only a couple of cents. And this is a required transaction fee for any blockchain. Anytime you're sending a coin from point A to point B, you have to pay a gas fee. Once this all looks correct, hit confirm. And the request has been submitted. Cool, so this should only take a couple of seconds. Sometimes it could take a couple of minutes because we are sending from one exchange to another, but the Luna blockchain itself is pretty fast. So we can verify the transaction now over on Kraken and select Terra Luna and select the ellipsis again on the top right and select transaction history. Great, as you can see, we do have the deposit that has been confirmed. So now we have a grand total of 0.98 Terra Luna in our Kraken wallet. Awesome. Great, now that your Luna is inside the Kraken platform, the last step is to enable staking on the Kraken.com homepage. Currently, the Kraken app does not allow you to enable staking within the app. You have to go to the desktop website to turn this feature on. So once you log into your Kraken homepage, you will simply click on the Earn tab. And on here, choose the giant purple stake button and go ahead and locate Terra Luna and select Luna. And I'm going to select 100%. And the reward payout is bi-weekly, twice a week. And the reward rate is a variable 3 to 6%. Cool, and then hit stake and confirmation the staking was successful. And from there, you'll start receiving your first rewards in 2 to 3 days. So that was a quick and easy way to stake Luna within the Kraken platform. Again, super easy to do within their native app. Down the line, if you want to try some of the more advanced strategies, you can try the Terra Station, you can try the Lido staking, and also the Anchor protocol where you can earn up to 90% on their UST stablecoin. So stay tuned, I will cover all of these different platforms in separate videos. So let me know what you think about Kraken. Are you a fan? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.